What's up? Welcome back. I've got quite the mess going on here, but we're going to be installing new electrical outlets all around the garage. Step one of getting this garage finished out a little better. So first things first, I need to measure off the walls and get an exact dimension and figure out exactly where I want to put the receptacles. So I've got 10 boxes that I'm going to be installing, and I got to figure out exactly where I want to lay them out. Once I get them laid out, I'll just measure from the bottom of the floor, since I don't have a laser level, and get all of the junction boxes at the exact same height, and then we can start running our wiring. So I'm gonna get you set up. So that you can see that, and we'll get this on a time lapse, and I'll pick you back up once I've got all of those installed where they're gonna go. So see you then. All right, I have no idea what I'm doing, so don't try this at home. But we successfully have wired up all of the gang boxes. They're all at 50 inches off the floor. All of them have Romex run through them. I'm an idiot and did not buy enough Romex though. So I'm only gonna be able to wire up one side of the gang box, which is unfortunate, but all I gotta do is get more wire and get it run, and then I'll be able to have both sets run correctly. So I'm just gonna hook up the one side for now, and we're gonna get to it. So now all I have to do is take all these connections, connect them to the actual receptacles, put the face plates on them, and we should be done, be able to hook it up and call that good. So I'm gonna throw you back on another time lapse here. I'm everywhere, so I'll try and make it as best I can, but it should be pretty quick from here. So shouldn't be too bad. So I will pick you back up when we are testing our outlets. All right, so I've got everything hooked up now. And if this reads open ground, because this isn't grounded and I haven't researched and figured out how to get it grounded, they will be wired correctly. So here goes. Boom, open ground. Perfect. Now, I just have to go around and test every single one of them. All right, bring you with me to test the rest of these. So far, so good. It's gonna get dark over here. Open ground. Perfect. These are really hard to use though. Hopefully that gets better. Open ground. Perfect. Open ground. Perfect. Here we go. Open ground. Open ground. Open ground. Open ground. Open ground. Oh my goodness, open ground. And last one, all the way over here. Open ground. Open ground. Perfect. All right, so like I said before, I did not wire the left-hand outlets. Those are actually 20 amp outlets. I did not know what the breaker was, if it was a 15 amp or 20 amp. I saw once I actually took it all the way apart to get these hooked up that that's a 20 amp breaker. So I'm good to go. I've got the wiring sized correctly and I've got the outlets for the 20 amps. So now that I know that the breaker's there, I can run 20 amp outlets and be good to go. So now all I have to do is run more Romex, but I gotta go get more. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that right now or not. I probably should, so then it's just all done and ready to go. But this is a pretty quick and easy, done and dirty project. I just wanted to get it knocked out. Not being able to plug things in easily to an outlet has really been a major kafoof on the on any project I'm trying to get done. Drop a comment down below if you think I should finish this off. Give ourselves a nice little background here for videos and such. I think it would look nice, but it's going to be quite costly. So if you made it this far, leave a like, drop a comment, and please consider subscribing. It really does help the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.